So the question is the solution to the given system of equation is x comma y. What is the value of y? So let this be equation 1 and let this be what? Equation 2. There are two ways by which we can solve this problem. We can either solve it by substitution method or by elimination method, but in this case I'm going to be using elimination. Why am I using elimination? Because in this case there is y in both cases, so the only way we can eliminate y is to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we can write it as 24x plus y, right, is equal to 48. Then 6x plus y is equal to what? 72. So since I'm subtracting 2 from 1, I will introduce minus here. So this minus, we have everything here. So this will be what? 24 minus 6. And obviously 24 minus 6 will give us what? 18. So this is what? 18x. Then y minus y is 0 plus 0 is equal to 48 minus 72. And that will give us what? Minus what? 24. So 18x is equal to minus what? 24. Then for us to get x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 18. Divided by what? 18. Alright, this cancels this. So x is equal to what? Minus 24 divided by 18. And of course, this gives us what? Okay, let's do it this way. 6 in 18, that is 3. 6 in 24, that is what? 4. So x is what? Minus 4 over what? 3. But what we are required to find is not the value of x, it's actually the value of y. We're only able to get the value of y by elimination because that was simple. So to get the value, we're able to get the value of x by elimination because that was simple. So we can get the value of y by substituting x in any of the equations. So let's plug it into equation, let's say 2. So it implies that wherever we see x in equation 2, we replace it with minus 4 over 3. So we have what? 6x plus y is equal to 72. So 6 into bracket x, that is minus 4 over 3, right, plus y is equal to what? 72. So 3 here, 1, 3 and 6, that is 2. 2 times minus 4, that is minus 8 plus y is equal to 72. So y in this case will be what? 72. Minus 8 coming here will be plus 8. So y is 72 plus 8. That will give us what? 80. So the correct answer to that is what? 80. That is method 1. So what I want to do now is I want to use method 2 to solve this problem. Now that method 2 is what I would call substitution method. So let me just shift this to this side to maintain this space. So if I'm using substitution method, since I'm looking for y, so I will have to eliminate what? X, and that may be a bit complicated, but we have to do it. So from equation 2, we are going to be making x the subject of formula so as to eliminate it to get y. We have what? 6x plus y is equal to what? 72. So we can say that 6x is equal to 72 minus what? Y. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6, divided by 6. This cancels this. So x is equal to 72 minus y over 6. I will call this equation what? 3. So we now substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Don't forget that equation 3 is an extension of equation 2. So basically equation 2 and 3 are still the same, right? We substitute it in equation 1 to get y. That implies that wherever we have x in equation 1, we replace it with what? 72 minus y over 6. So this will give us what? 24 into bracket x, that is 72 minus y divided by 6, okay, right, plus y is equal to what? 48. All right, 6 here, 1, 6 and 24, that is 4. So we have 4 into bracket 72 minus y, right, plus y is equal to what? 48. So all I'll just do is I'll just so 4 times 72, okay, let me say 72 times 4, that gives me 288. So I have 288 minus 4 times y, that is minus 4y, then plus y is equal to what? 48, right? So we have 288 minus 4y plus y, that's minus 3y is equal to what? 48. All right, so let me move minus 3y here and I move what? 48 in. So I have what? 288 minus 48 is equal to what? 3y. All right, So 288 minus 48, that will give me what? 240. So at that point we have what? 240 is got to what? 3y. Divide both side by the coefficient of y, which is 3, divided by 3. This cancel this, so we have 240 divided by 3. That will give us what? 80. So 80 is got to y. So this implies that y is got to what? 80. So I decided to make as a subject formula because what I'm looking for directly is y. So I have to eliminate x by substitution to get the value of y. So that is the same thing as what I got here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.